I'm Jeff with XDP, and we're here with Manfred from Longhorn Fab Shop. We're going to talk about the Longhorn Fab Shop Pro-Grade Traction Bar Bracket Kits. Manfred, tell us a bit about what we have here.
Yeah, so these kits here are designed for really sled pullers and racers. They have the box sides on the rear brackets that help maintain rigidity in the heaviest and hardest sled pulling applications and racing, high horsepower trucks. These are recommended for guys that are over 500-600 horse or anyone that's sled pulling. Sled pulling is about as hard on a rear end and traction bar as you can get. That sled can be 70,000-80,000 pounds pulling force. So what these are, you bolt these on the rear over the U-bolts, and then you either bolt or weld the front brackets to the frame, measure eyelet to eyelet, and then you can build your own custom set of traction bars.
So that wraps it up for the Longhorn Fab Shop Pro-Grade Traction Bar Bracket Kits. We'd like to thank Manfred for being here today, and to find out more about this product or other Longhorn Fab Shop products for your truck, check out xdp.com.